JG, 5 weeks out from ACL primary repair. She's going for her first run. Here we go. You see how nice she's moving. Look at that. She's a soccer player. She had an ACL reconstruction on the right leg many years ago, and here we are on the left leg 5 weeks out from repair. So how's it feeling?
Feels great.
Yeah?
Yep.
And would you say the recovery to this point has been easy, medium, hard, super hard?
It's been very easy.
Yeah? How would you compare it to your ACL reconstruction that you went through all those years ago?
Doesn't compare. Doesn't compare at all.
Better, I would say, right?
Better, much better. Yep.
Much better.
Much better.
So now you were off pain meds, you said, in 1 day?
1 day.
And you had back to work, how quick?
I had the surgery on Tuesday. I was back to work the following Monday, so only missed 4 days of work.
And how quickly did you get your range of motion back?
1 week.
There you go. Full range in a week. And tell me something, how does your knee feel to you during the day when you're moving around? Do you think about it a lot?
Feels like normal. I had to remind myself that I had a surgery and I need to, don't skip.
Yeah, right. And now I heard that you have an interesting story with you are one of 3 sisters, all soccer players. Tell me about that little bit.
This is the 5th surgery of an ACL tear from the 3 sisters, so this one doesn't compare to any of the other ones.
So 5 out of 6 knees in your family tore their ACLs, and now this repair, and everybody's like, wow, wish we could have done that.
My sisters were mad.
I bet your parents were glad.
They were very glad, yep.
Awesome. Glad you're doing well.
Thank you.